Hello, Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Kehkashan World. Subscribe this channel, like this video, press the bell icon so you will get all my upcoming video notifications. Spread it everywhere, promote it everywhere. Subscribe as much as you can. And it's beautiful view. I'm here at my outside my residence on my balcony. Today this is I counted on my front side of this residence. So I'm just here to show you this beautiful natural beauty of raining here. I've made the vlog one as to show you the drawing room raining. Now it's the different side of, as I count this front side, so this is the front side of my house, and it's beautiful view, beautiful raining. I'm just here, just came here on my balcony to show you this beautiful and lovely melodious rain. So guys, check this. It came inside towards me. The rain is so fast. Now it's really fast. Check this beautiful melodious voice rain. It's come inside. It's so fast as I shown you. I will come forward to show you the beautiful view. Take a screenshot of this beautiful natural beauty raining. It's so melodious, so lovely, so musical, so natural, so awesome. Mashallah, it's really beautiful. Check this, check the drops of rain. How fast are they on the roof of the house? Check this, beautiful. And listen to the voice, feel the rain. It's really natural and beautiful, awesome. Check the voice, feel the moment. Check this, the drops, how fast they are on the roof. Crystal water, something like diamond drops, things like that. It's so fast raining here, and all things are just taking bath in the water, natural water coming from the clouds. Beautiful tree, beautiful house, beautiful raindrops, beautiful natural beauty. It's melodious, it's lovely, it's awesome, it's beautiful, and each and everything is really awesome and lovely here, and it's so beautiful. I'm speechless. This is the natural beauty. This is the natural beauty. Rain is the natural beauty. Check the clouds. Check the clouds. These are white clouds. Little bit gray, but mostly white. And now it becomes fast. The rain becomes fast now. Check the musical melodious sound of the rain. Just feel it. Check the road, how fast the rain is. I'm here at Ottawa, Canada. This is outside my residence view, and the temperature is 17 degrees. It's so pleasant weather here. And today is 30th August 2023. It becomes fast. Check the melodious, awesome sound of the rain. Check this, feel it, enjoy it. Enjoyed it, guys, enjoyed it. How fast? Check the speed. Check the speed, how fast it is. Check the speed. Beautiful. It's so fast raining, so fast, so melodious, so musical, so natural, so awesome, and so lovely. It's really beautiful. Each and everything is just taking shower in this natural water coming from the clouds. Each and everything becomes clean in this natural beauty, natural water coming from these clouds. Check this. It comes inside. It comes towards me. The raindrops direction is towards me. It's really beautiful. Lovely, awesome. Check this one. Check the stairs. Oh. I'm just remaining the sound. Some song is just coming in my mind. I will sing this song for you. This is the rain song. The rain song is just that. जब मैं बादल बन जाऊं, तुम बारिश बन जाना, जो कम पड़ जाए सांसें, मेरा दिल बन जाना, सावन की बूंदें, मौसम बन जाना, जो कम पड़ जाए सांसें, मेरा दिल बन I just sing this song for you. This is a rain song, so this come in my mind. I will sing for you, all of you, for YouTube, my family, you guys. I just sing this song for you, okay? So keep enjoying with me this natural melodious rain, its natural beauty, the rain water, the raindrops, the beautiful view, the natural awesome beauty. It's really lovely, beautiful, awesome, and very nice. Check this. I just sing another song, just came in my mind. I just sing this for you. Check this, check this, check this. How water is falling from the roof. How water is falling from the roof, upward to downwards. Check this. See. Take the speed. Take a screenshot of this beautiful view of raining here in Ottawa, Canada, the capital of Canada. Just keep enjoying with me, keep stay with me, stay tuned with me, subscribe this channel, press the bell icon so you will get all my video notifications. I will show you the pinpoint things of this whole Canada and the whole adventure spot. For that, you have to subscribe this channel, you have to subscribe my channel, you have to press the bell icon and share this with your friends, family, relatives, friends, everywhere. You have to promote it everywhere for that, okay? Stay tuned with me. I will show you each and everything here in Canada. So this is the capital of Canada, the Ottawa, Canada, outside my residence. The temperature is of 17 degrees here and today is 30th August 2023. And now this is raining and it's really lovely and awesome, beautiful. Lovely autumn rain, lovely autumn rain. It's a beautiful, beautiful raindrops, beautiful raining. Lovely, beautiful raindrops, raindrops, beautiful, lovely, awesome, natural beauty. Okay guys, I have shown you the whole raining. Now it's gradually become slow. Than before, now it becomes slow. Its speed is slow down, so gradually I think it stops with the passage of time. So guys, this is I have shown you both sides, towards the in the first vlog in the drawing room side, and the second vlog in my front side of, as I count this front side of my house. So that's why I've shown all of the directions, the whole rain, the natural beauty. This is the natural, this beautiful and awesome view of the raining view. I've shown you on the pinpoint those beautiful raining. Each and everything is lovely and awesome. So the trees are awesome, the houses are awesome, the raindrops are amazing, and this each and everything is beautiful. I have shown you the on a pinpoint. I think you like this video, you enjoyed it with me, I'm sure. So for that you have to subscribe this channel, press the bell icon, share this with your friends, family, relatives, do comment, and show your love and show your support for this channel. So I will show you the pinpoint things with the passage of time. Each and every day I will show you the pinpoint things. I just go for you to make a video to show you this the natural beauty, the natural places, the views, each and everything I will show you just for you. I will go just for you. Okay, to support this channel and subscribe this channel, spread it everywhere. Okay, don't forget to press the bell icon, and till then, take care. Keep me in your special prayers. Love you all. Stay blessed, stay evergreen, stay happy, take care, and till then, take care. Stay tuned with me. I will show you I will meet you in the next point, in the next people, in the next view, in the next place. So till then, take care. Goodbye. Take care. Keep smiling. Stay blessed. Love you all. Goodbye with the special raining. Goodbye.